stitch is called Little Arrowhead. Really pretty. So it's a multiple of 6 plus 1. So I have 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1 I have 25. So I'm using the needles that the yarn calls for. This is a worsted yarn and I'm using size 8 US needles, which is a 5 millimeter. So let's get started. Row number 1, you knit 1. And this is where the repetition starts. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, and pass this one over. Knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, and knit 1. So let's do that again. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, and pass this one over. Knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, and knit 1. Again, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass this one over, knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, and knit 1. Now we have 6 left, so we do the repetition again. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, and pass this one over, knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, and knit 1. Okay, row number 2 is all purl, so no problems there. Remember to purl the yarn overs, and I'll see you when I finish this row. Row number 3, we are going to knit 2 stitches, yarn over, slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together, and then the one that you slit goes over the last one, yarn over, and knit 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's do that again. Yarn over, slide 1, knit 2 stitches together, pass that one over the last stitch, yarn over, and knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, yarn over, slide 1, knit 2 stitches together, pass that one over, yarn over, and knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, these are the last 5. I have 5 stitches here. So yarn over, slide 1, knit 2 stitches together, pass that one over the last one, yarn over, and knit the last 2. And then row number 4 is all purl, and that's it. That's all there is. There's 4 rows to this stitch. Repeat these 4 rows for your pattern. A blouse would look beautiful with this stitch. So thank you very much for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. Let me show you how this looks again. See how pretty that is? Thank you.